Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches to screen recording on this device. So first we should launch the settings application, and after that scroll down to the display section, then scroll all the way down to the screen record, and now here we can see the record touch point switcher. Just to switch on screen touches, you should click once on the switcher, and to turn them then on off, just click on the switcher once again, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can launch the screen recorder settings. We should first open the notification panel, and here on the top bar you should find the screen recorder icon. After that, we should just hold for a while this icon, and you'll just launch the same screen recorder settings. And by this way, we can also switch on the screen touches in screen recording on our Motorola device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.